Welcome to the instructional part of the video. You can get tabs and backing tracks if you go to my website, www.erichaugenguitar.com. For information about the sound tools I'm using today, go ahead and click on the description box underneath in your YouTube player. And for access to exclusive live streams, worksheets, and other quick tip video lessons, you can find me on patreon.com/erichaugenguitar. Now to the lesson. So let's just look at our chord structures. We got an F, it's been several hours in the C chord there, then a D minor, and then an F, and then, let's call this a C9. And then how are we going to Hendrixify it? We'll play that F power chord and then our melody. So we're coming in on 10 and 10 there, flat on those 8s there, do that nice little Hendrix hammer on to get 8 and 8, and you're going to get that ring finger on 10, and then immediately kind of come back. There's an F tone here, we'll kind of pull it down from that 8 down. And we're coming back around, kind of, from 10, 8, and then a little C first inversion there, which I may hybrid pick. Which is, I'm going to slide into 12 and 10. And then what does it do? Grab that D root. There's our melody. So off of this D minor, maybe hit like a little ghost 12, but the main melody is since you took your love away, 10 8s. And I might do a little, which I don't think she sings that. 10 8, slide it back to 7. And if I'm on that third of the F there, there's F, I know that I can do this little, because there's an F structure, so I'm going to flat on the 5 and 5 with that D and G, hammer on that 7 there. And then here comes this 9th chord, which is really a G minor with a C in the bass. What is that? 8, 10, 8, 7. Ooh, what a nice chord. It comes around again. That time it's a little different. The melody is a little kind of bluesy thing there on that C. There's a C. Little bend on 12, just a half bend down to 10. And I think I come down from the 12. And the same thing. I do. That was a weird sound. I snuck in a little. What is that? 10 on the G there. Same thing though. But then I might put in another inversion of C. If that's a C9, 5 5 5. There's a C, there's a C. D string, G string, B string, F. So here's an F right here. I'll just do a quick one, which is, that is 7 5 6. There's the full chord, there's the piece, and then it's fun. So I do a quick one, and then since you've been gone, I can do what? And that's just playing around with gospel or major pentatonic, if you want to think of it that way. So all around 10, 12, and 10. And then, here's the C chord. I got my pinky on the C here, and then, kind of sounds like Skynyrd. Playing around, because, she does quite a bit of vocal inflecting there. Goes up twice, and then a... that's what I would do. yeah, and this one was tricky. That was hard to get that worked out. It seems simple, but it was hard to phrase. I come into that D, so 8 to 10. Bum, bum, ba, 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 ba. Yeah, 10. Because I don't know what I was trying to do. I was trying to make it cool. I think you could see that. And then, where am I at? I'm at a F. What do I do there? I don't remember. I think I go, yeah. So if I'm on this F, I might do like a, back to that C9, C9 inversion, quick F there. Same thing. And then it's a little different. Here's my D minor. So I'm still, yeah, there he is. And then, yeah, so that's a 12, 10, 10, blues notes. Nothing. And just for fun, I grab a D, and it's equivalent flat seventh there, 5 and 5. But nothing can take away these blues. That's an A7 chord. Interesting key change we're about to hit here. So, nothing can take away these blues. 0, 11, 12. And one little cuz is our 10th fret here. Nothing compares. Let's look at that. There's an E flat chord. That's what the chorus goes to. So you got your little E flat. So yeah, that is, if there's where E flat is, we're just looking at 13, 12, 11. Back that top note off to get the melody. That's so cool. And then a little, it's going to go to B flat. Here's a B flat. So that's what I do there. I'm flat on my D and my G string 10 and 10. Land that B flat on the 13. And then do one of those nice little Hendrix double stops there. 10 and 10, hammer on that 12. And then though, oh wait, sorry, go. Yeah, just do that. And so kind of doing the same thing, but treating it a little bit differently. Here's the E flat this time. So I'm still aiming for that, but aha, you can go to behind it and push that note up until it becomes that G. So that is 10, 11, close it up to 10 and 10, 10, 10, 8 and 8, and then what is that? Because there's a B flat, 7 and 6. And yeah, nice unison bend on, what is this? Yeah, that's C9 again. So that's my 8, which is a G, and I'm pushing this 10 up to become a G also. There's a C, this is C major pentatonic right there. You know, coming down from that 7 to 5. And if I remember correctly, hold on. Okay, so then I'm just really showing off. C, 7-5-5 is another C. 10-10, 7, another C. And then yeah, kind of playing around with fourths, all just pentatonic double stops of the cage structures. That's what I do. 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Yep, and here's more, 12 and 13, and going up, 14, 15, until I finally get to F, 13, 13. Slide it around, C chord right there, C and an E, there's a C shape. And then, yep, I'm still, and I can see this C chord back here, and I know So yep, I'm gonna go to 10 and 10, 8 and 8. I know it hits a D minor. Yeah, I love minor chords, root 6, because you can do all your blues. Yep, I do kind of those, and then I come around to this F here. C chord, and I walk that root down, or it's really the inversion. 7, 5, 3. And then I think I stay on a D around here. I think I just end it like that. I think that covers it. The reason I so often will take a song that I like and put Hendrix double stops on it, which are really just R&B double stops, is it's a great way to practice your caged chord structures, the pentatonic shapes that go with them, and obviously play a song that you really like. So to do that, you first figure out how to play the song, find the chords online, or figure them out by ear, whichever works best for you. I prefer to figure things out trusting my ears while they still work. And then you find the melody. That's a bit harder to do. You would do that separately, and it's time consuming. You really have to sit there. I use the old-fashioned pencil and paper and write out the melody, and then you merge the two, seeing where a chord hits and where a melody hits, and then when there's those gaps, that's when the opportunity arises to test. What can I safely and tastefully fit in that will not ruin this? That's my advice for you. Good luck with that.